stunning coastline behind me in Northern Ireland. It's certainly been a bright start here. It's very warm as well. We're continuing that trend when we've had one of the warmest Septembers on record. Warm start to October, but only half the story, because actually we've got this weather front straddled across the UK. It's already given 2 inches of 50 millimetres of rain to the wettest parts of northwest Wales and northwest England. So we've got the sunshine to the north with just a scattering of showers, but that heavy pulse of rain will run its way along that weather front across, as you can see, the Midlands and to the northeast. To the south of that, there's a little bit of brightness and sunshine around, and when that comes out, 23 or 24, and that's well above the early October average, but it's rather misty and murky with fog and hill fog around under this weather front itself here. But some bright skies to end the day across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and a fresher night to come here. But further south across England and Wales, it just hangs around that weather front once again. Not much rain and drizzle on it, but it's just a damp, misty, murky night, and again really quite muggy at 13 to 15 degrees Celsius. As I say, slightly fresher further north, which is where we'll see the brighter skies again tomorrow. But there could be some fog around for the morning rush, and that weather front reactivates again. And in fact, not just the rain on the weather front, but some thunderstorms developing, becoming more widespread into the afternoon. Could be some torrential downpours. In between, still quite warm though, 22 degrees for most. A little bit down on today further north, just because it starts on a cooler note, but I think feeling pleasant in the sunshine. Now, some uncertainty as to how far north that thundery rain could well push during tomorrow evening, perhaps into Yorkshire and Lincolnshire, but it should, for the most part, be clear by the time we get to Tuesday morning. But once again, because of all the cloud in southern areas, it's going to be quite a muggy night, a bit fresher further north, quite chilly in the glens. Now, by Tuesday, we're into more of a west-northwesterly wind, so it's a fresher direction for all of us. It will feel cooler, actually, on Tuesday. But again, as that ridge of high pressure just comes in through the afternoon, hopefully the shower activity will ease. So some pleasant sunshine to end the day, leading into quite a chilly night under this ridge of high pressure. So yes, pressure starting to build from the south, just pushing those weather fronts and their influence a little further north. So Wednesday at the moment looks as if it'll be mostly Northern Ireland and Scotland, perhaps Northern England, where we see the lengthier spells of rain on that weather front, showers that follow to the north with, of course, a little bit of sunshine, but perhaps a little bit fresher further south, but feeling pleasant in some sunshine that should come through after morning mist. That high pressure is building further north then as we head into Thursday and towards the end of the week. That just pushes those weather fronts and low pressures and their influence further north. So mostly for Scotland and the western fringe of Northern Ireland, perhaps southern and eastern Scotland, much of England and Wales, seeing some brightness and sunshine. There might be quite a bit of cloud underneath there, but a lot of dry weather and temperatures again above where they should be for this time of year. That high pressure then pushes its way eastwards, but still maintains its influence across the southern half of the country, and we pull in more of a southerly wind. The jet stream's really strong though further north, so it's pushing in those low pressures into the far northwest. So the devil's in the detail really as we head towards the end of the week. It looks like many will have across England and Wales dry and bright weather, warm weather Friday, but we've got that rain further north and west, but quite warm in that sunshine. More of a southerly wind into the weekend as well. The uncertainty is how quickly that weather front will clear that warm air out the way as we head towards the latter part of the weekend. Bye-bye.